Hey, what's happening, buddy? This is Hayden Adams with A Designer Who Codes. I want to put this image into a web project and I want to crop it first. I don't want to need all this white space around it. Now, to me, when I put projects on the web, I want perfect crops, not kind of good crops. Now, here's the problem though. If I head to the crop tool, I want to crop this drop shadow. But when I use the crop tool, I can snap to the actual picture, but I can't really snap to the edges of the drop shadow. I can get close, but I can't get perfect. So to me, I don't like close, I like perfect crops. So here's an even better way of accomplishing a complicated crop like this drop shadow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down to the actual triangle shadow that I have here. If I hold the Command key down, I can roll my mouse over the image and a little marquee symbol shows up. When I click on it, what I get is this funky kind of marching ant oblong shape. Marching ants are big, bold liars. What I mean by that is anything above 50% shows up as the marquee/marching ants. Anything below 50% opacity does not show up. If we want to reveal the true crop, I'm going to hit Q for quick mask. And the red shows what is not cropped, and the not red shows what is cropped. So I can see there's a fading effect happening around this picture. To be instantly sure that this is perfectly cropped, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the triangle and hit Command plus. What that's going to do is ensure I get everything perfectly cropped around this design. Now, the marching ants in themselves do not provide the crop feature. However, if I head up to edit and I come down, image, crop, there's also no shortcut key for this. Adobe, if you're listening, please add this as a shortcut key. I've been asking this for like 15 years. I can now crop this. And now what I get is a absolutely flawless crop that includes the shadow behind it. Now I can then turn off my layer, and then what I can do is I can export as, which is Command Option Shift and W, one of the worst shortcut keys in Photoshop. And I can then go up to JPEG and save it with that white background. And I can come up to the PNG and then have it transparent as well to put in my web design if I had a custom background or a custom image that I wanted to put behind it while still preserving this perfect shadow behind this triangle. And that's how you get a perfect crop in Photoshop without using the crop tool.